I'm here on the Matsuura stand with Dominec Seminario, the National Sales Manager for Matsuura. Welcome to the show and thank you for letting me be on your stand today.
Welcome.
Okay, how has MAC 2018 been for you?
It's gone extremely well. I think much better than we expected and planned, really, Lyndsey, to be honest. It's been, well, every day's just been really, really busy, and lots of new people have come to the stand to have a look at our new machines and actually enjoy our coffee, which was a bit of a gimmick, but I think it's really gone down quite
I think
well.
it's gone down really well as well. So what's been the highlight of the show for you?
I think the highlight is that the amount of new customers with the existing customers that have come down to have a look at our new branding, our new technology, which is a derivative of obviously the Matsuura 5-axis brands that we've had for many, many years. But I think the interest and the engagement in discussion and conversation that will follow the show has been very pleasing, I must say.
Sorry to ask you, but what is this that we're standing in front of then?
So what we've done is we've put obviously interactive iPads on the stand, so if customers, we're busy and they want to interact individually without the pressure of a salesman, they can actually go on our website, look at our brochures, our YouTube videos, in fact a lot of our MTD videos.
Well, perfect, that's brilliant. So you've sold most of the machines on the stand, is that correct?
Yeah, I mean obviously, you know, the stock situation is still good, but we did sell these machines prior to the show, but we have taken more orders, in fact one today for another MX330 and a 35E yesterday. So for us that's very good, we're very pleased with that.
So with that in mind, maybe if people haven't already made Mac or might not be able to make the very last day of the show, have you got some deals still to be done?
We still have deals, we still have stock in Colville, and we have other machines arriving very soon back at Colville that we will be setting up for demonstration. So by all means, everybody's welcome.
A good week?
Fantastic, very tiring, but I think well worth it.
Brilliant, thanks Dominec.
No, thank you very much, Lynn.
Thank you.